Welcome to our channel, MrBrainBop. Today's topic is on sustainable living. In today's video, we'll explore practical tips to help you live more sustainably. From reducing waste to conserving energy, these tips are easy to implement and can make a big difference. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about reducing plastic use. Plastic pollution is a huge problem, but you can make a difference by using reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Next time you go shopping, carry a cloth bag. Invest in a good quality water bottle and say no to single-use plastics. Buying local and seasonal produce is another great way to live sustainably. It supports local farmers, reduces carbon footprints from transportation, and often means fresher, tastier food. Visit your nearby farmers market or local vendors for your fruits and veggies. Incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet can significantly reduce your environmental impact. India has a rich tradition of vegetarian cuisine, so it's easy to enjoy delicious, meat-free meals. Try swapping out meat for legumes, beans, and other plant-based proteins a few times a week. Energy conservation is another key aspect. Use energy-efficient appliances and LED bulbs to save electricity. Simple habits like turning off lights and fans when not in use, using natural light during the day, and unplugging devices when they're not charging can make a big difference. Transportation choices also matter. Opt for walking, cycling, or using public transport whenever possible. Not only does it reduce your carbon footprint, but it's also great for your health. If you need to drive, consider carpooling with friends or colleagues. Waste management is crucial for sustainable living. Start composting your kitchen waste to reduce landfill and create nutrient-rich soil for gardening. Segregate your waste into recyclables, non-recyclables, and compostables. Many cities now have efficient waste segregation systems, so make sure to utilize them. Switch to eco-friendly products in your daily life. From bamboo toothbrushes to biodegradable cleaning supplies, there are plenty of sustainable options available. These products are not only better for the environment, but also for your health. Water conservation is another critical area. Fix any leaks in your home, use water-saving fixtures, and practice mindful water use. Simple steps like turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, taking shorter showers, and using a bucket instead of a hose for washing can save a significant amount of water. Get involved in your community. Participate in local cleanup drives, tree planting activities, and other environmental initiatives. Engaging with your community not only amplifies your impact, but also inspires others to join the cause. Sustainable living is all about making mindful choices that contribute to a healthier planet. Each small step you take adds up to a significant impact. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Start with a few changes and gradually incorporate more sustainable practices into your life. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips inspire you to adopt a more sustainable lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on eco-friendly living. Let's work together to create a greener, cleaner India. See you next time. End screen subscribe button, social media handles.